Good evening and welcome to the Oliveboard platform. My name is Marush Sharma, your logical reasoning expert, and we are here today to start a new practice or mock series. Okay, so I'll be starting with a mixed set of questions which we will be approaching. Majorly SSC pre-IQs, but they are not labeled, they are all mixed from different shifts. Okay, so a combination of 20 odd questions which we'll be solving with a good pace in the next few, whatever time we are the session lasts for. So quickly join in live, share this session across your platforms wherever you are a part of, so that others can also reap full benefits from these sessions. Whatever whatever work we are putting in, it's only for you. So just come here, reap full benefits, and hit the like button right away if you're liking what we're bringing for you, and do hit the subscribe button if you are new on this channel. And don't forget to leave comments. After the session is over, I will also be giving you homework in the end. So last question we'll be discussing as homework, which you can, put the correct answer in the chat box. So let's start the session right away. Good evening Dinesh. So the very first question in front of you, I'll just put a quick timer. So some scrambled words are given, scrambled word is given, and you need to choose the correct option which represents the correct set of letters. Now see, if you observe the word carefully, you will see that 11 is the correct answer. E-L-E-V-E-N. Okay, now if you leave these E's, we know that the second has to be 1, the next has to be 5, and the last one has to be 4. So dash 1, dash 5, 4. Dash 1, dash 5, dash 4 is only option C. So don't get confused with the E's here. Okay, there are multiple E's. We don't know which is going to be first, which is going to be second, which is going to be third. But this is going to give you a correct answer. Try this one now. So what exactly is happening is, it's pretty clear. With the numbers itself, you can obtain that these are somewhere close to the cubes. Okay, the first thing which comes to your mind is 1. After 1 we have 2, so 2 cube minus 1. But after 3 we have 4. So 4 cube minus 1 would have been 63, not 215. So this is actually 1 being multiplied by 2. Okay, then you're cubing it and you're subtracting it by 1. Similarly, 3 is being multiplied by 2. You're cubing it and subtracting by 1. So 4 will be multiplied by 2. You'll get 8. You'll cube it and subtract by 1. You'll get 511. So option C is the correct answer. Clear? Any issues, any problems, you can put it in the chat box. And also participate. Give me the answers. Share the session, guys. Be a part of it. Try to participate. Try to give me answers. Make it as interactive as possible. Otherwise, it's not fun, right? I'm trying my level best to keep talking to you, to keep you engaged. But that's only possible if you respond. If you are just silent spectators, then there's pointless of watching this session also. How is K related to T? So we'll plot this much. T hash Y, T hash Y, T is the mother of Y. Y at the rate M, Y is the sister of M. M% K, M is the wife of K. Question is, how is K related to T? K is T's son-in-law, daughter's husband. Option C is the right answer. Cool. Next. Good, very good. Avijit, good job. See, this is also an interesting question actually. It will not click immediately to you. But what will you think? You will think that, okay, 147, if I divide by 7, what do I get? I get 21. Okay. 108, if I divide by 6, what do I get? I get 36, right? No. Sorry. Yeah, sorry, I get 18. So what exactly is happening here? If I divide them, I am getting triple of this number. So this is 7 into 3. This is 6 into 3. So basically, we are just squaring 7 and multiplying it by 3 to get your answer as 147. Similarly, we are squaring 6, we are multiplying it by 3 to get 108 as our answer. So similarly, we are squaring 8 and multiplying it by 3 to getting 192 as the answer. But if we do it here, if we square 9, 81, multiply it by 3, it is 243, not 234. So option D is the odd one out here. Option D is the odd one out. Cool, very good Abhijit, excellent, good job. That is what I am looking for, participation. Next. Oh wow, we have quite a good audience today, good job. Share this session and bring all your other friends along as well. The more the merrier. And if we start, see, this is just the start today. So I have just brought maybe normal level questions only. But if I will see good attendance, I will try to tweak the questions as well. I'll bring in questions from different exams so that you'll get a better practice and better exposure. Yes, formed is coded as this. So what will be the code for normal? It's an excellent question actually. Excellent question. This in itself is a challenging question. It's not easy to get it. It's not an easy question to decode. See, if you had formed here, F-O-R-M-E-D, no matter what you do, you're not going to get anything which is relatable. Anything which is relatable. Okay. So what is the actual logic which is here? These are being flipped. Okay, not a problem. Now can you think of something? Okay. So what can we think of? We will say that F will have reverse minus 1. So this is F reverse is U. U minus 1 is T. Reverse minus 1. Reverse minus 1. So R reverse is I minus 1 is J. E reverse is V. V minus 1 is U. Oh sorry, I minus 1 is not J, it's H. My bad. Similarly, if we do reverse plus 1 here, reverse plus 1 here and reverse plus 1 here, what do we get? So O is 15, reverse is L, L plus 1 is M. M is 13, reverse is 14, 14 plus 1 is 15. D is 23, that is for W is reverse, so 24, X is the reverse. Are we getting the logic, the code? So what will be the code for normal? N-O-R-M-A-L. Cross, cross, cross. Reverse plus 1. So O is start with M again, which is option B. So option B is the correct answer. They'll not make it difficult for you to get the answer. They will only make it difficult for you to get the logic. Once it is cleared, then it won't be a problem. Next. Of course, 30 seconds are not sufficient to solve this. Next. Good, shabash. Good evening, Argamita. Good, Abhijit. Very good. Okay, so divide means plus, minus means into means divide, and plus means minus. So 5 divided by 20 into 20, this will get cancelled and you will get 5 here. 7 plus 5 minus 2, it's 10. Option A is the right answer. Okay, Next. Good, very good. So if nothing is clicking, what can be done here? Let's write it here. 61, 73, 99, 141, 201. Okay. Just take the difference. What do we get here? 12. And what do we get here? This is 26. This is 41, 42. This is 60. Maybe nothing specific is coming to our mind. So we take the double difference and we get here 14, we get here 16 and we get here 18. So it's quite clear now. The next one will be 20. 60 plus 20 will be 80. 201 plus 80 will be 281. And that's our answer, which is option A. Nothing works out, double difference. Correct, very good. Excellent, good job. See, in a row where all are facing north, Shruti is 19th from the left. Shruti is 19th from the left. And Seema is 11th from the right. We will assume that they are not overlapping. They interchange their positions. Okay. So Shruti here, Seema will come up. Seema here, Shruti will come up. And Shriyesh, who sits 20th from the left end, sits at 5th to the left of Shruti's new position. So 5th, Shriyesh sits 20th from the left end, just one ahead of him. And 5th, so 11 plus 5 is 16th. It's pretty easy now. These are the positions of Shriyesh. They are asking you how many people are sitting in the row. So 20 plus 16 minus 1 is that simple. 36 minus 1, 35. Option C is the correct answer. Cool? Correct. Very good. Excellent, Avijit. Good job. Next, embedded figures. Rotation is not allowed. Typical SSC question. These are all previous year SSC questions. SSC CGL questions. Yes, very good. Directly visible here. Directly visible in option B. Nowhere else can you see it completely there. So option B is the right answer. Easy. Figure series. Very good, very good. That's the speed we are looking for. Good job. Argamita, very good. Yes, what about the rest of you guys? Very happy that you guys are watching the session at least today, but please participate as well. Put in something in the chat box so that I know you're alive, you're not a bot. I'll have to put that test now. Okay. Yes, so what exactly is happening? So this is moving 2 steps clockwise, 2 steps clockwise. Then 1 step clockwise, 1 step clockwise. Again 2 steps clockwise, 2 steps clockwise. Then 1 step clockwise. So again this will move 2 steps clockwise, this will move 2 steps clockwise. So this is what is going to happen, which is in option B only. Correct? Next. Mirror image. Alive. Amira. Very sweet. Good. Okay. So what about this one? We are simply taking the mirror image. So for S, we'll flip the S first. We'll start from S. Everywhere is flipping the same. Then we have 5. 5 also is flipping the same. Then we have J flipping the same. Then we have 5 again. 5, 5, 3. It's not possible. Gone. Okay, 5. Later on we have 3 again flipping the same. Then we have T. T. This is F here. Gone. T flipping the same. F is not flipping only here. So this is also gone. Option D is the correct answer. Cool. Just by element elimination, we'll get our answers. Correct. Very good. Good job. This is pretty easy. I think 20 seconds is more than sufficient to answer this question. Excellent, excellent, excellent. Good job. Correct, correct. Very good. Argamita, Amira and Avijit, absolutely right. So what exactly is happening here? If you observe carefully, this is just forming like something of this sort. Okay. So when it will go on the top, it will go something like this. Cool. Which is only happening in option D. Nowhere else. See, this is going on the slant like this. This is deleted. This one is also going in the slant, both of them deleted, and they are just too close together, which is not possible here. So option D is the correct answer. Simple close visualization. That's it. Pattern completion. Correct again. Very good. Avijit correct. Amira, Argamita and Arunachalam Mohan. Very good guys. Excellent. Excellent. So we can pick it up easily. See, if you observe this one here, there is a line. It has to have a line here also. Not there. This has it, but it is completing it till the end, which is not there. So gone. This has it partially, but this triangle is too large. So gone. This is the only correct and perfect answer. So option D is the right one. Cool. Next. Syllogism. They've started asking possibility based questions in tier 1 also. Okay. So all classrooms are schools. No school is a park. All houses are parks. Perfect. Now some house being classroom is a possibility. Is it possible? No, it's not possible, because both these elements are part of elements which are restricted with each other. So there is a negative relation, a negative restriction. So this is not correct. No school may be park. This is where everybody lacks. This is where people make mistake. No school may be park. School and park are restricted to each other. That is, there is a negative relation between them. So no elements of school will be a part of park. So under definite case, this is going to be true. No schools are park is true. The moment something is true in definite, if I put a maybe, that is I make it a possibility, it will instantly be incorrect. Whatever is true in definite will be false in possibility, and vice versa. Whatever is true in possibility will be false in definite. No school is a house. This is absolutely right. So only conclusion 3 follows, which is option D is the correct answer. Good, very good. Excellent, good job. Statement conclusion based, critical reasoning based question. Correct. I have brought this question in one of my previous sessions also. Cost of gold is increasing in the market. This is the statement. The conclusion says gold is becoming a rare ornament. This is absolutely incorrect conclusion. Okay. If cost of anything increases does not mean that it has become rare. It simply means that there is an imbalance of demand and supply. That's it. Maybe the supply is the same, but the demand has risen. So it's not rare. It's still there. Okay, as much only, as much in abundance as it was before, but the demand has increased. So because of the demand supply gap, the prices are increasing. Okay, I can just increase the price of anything. Maybe I can increase the price of this marker. That does not make it rare. So you are getting confused with the word rare because of gold here. So this is an incorrect conclusion. People cannot buy gold, incorrect conclusion. So neither 1 nor 2, option B is the correct answer. Okay, these are all previous year SSC questions. This is also a previous year SSC question. SSC CGL specifically. Right. Okay, what about this one? Data sufficiency. Okay, very good. Correct, good. Avijit and Argamita, good job. So what exactly is happening here? There are 4 friends, Arjun, Pawan, Neeraj and Sunil. Who is the heaviest is your question. Statement 1 says Arjun and Pawan are of the same weight. Is it sufficient to answer a question? Obviously not. Statement 2 says Pawan weighs more than Neeraj but less than Sunil. It's only giving you data about 3 people. Do not assume Pawan's weight to be equal to Arjun now. It was gone in the first statement. Now forget about it. In the second statement alone, it's not possible. But the moment you take both of them, now you know that Pawan weighs more than Neeraj but less than Sunil. Okay. So Pawan weighs more than Neeraj, less than Sunil, and Pawan and Arjun weigh the same. So we know that Sunil is the one who is heaviest. We do not need the answer. But option B is the correct one. Both statements together are needed to answer your question. Cool. Next. Number set. Good. Amira and Arunachalam. I'm so sorry. Very good. Arunachalam Mohan. Sometimes it's not as difficult as it seems. The problem is catching the correct logic in the stipulated time. Okay, the logic here is nothing is going to work out here. I know not a typical SSC logic, but the logic is the digit sum is 11, the digit sum is 11, the digit sum is 11. Pick up where the digit sum is 11 again. So it's option C. So I told you I'm bringing a good mix. Not everything is from SSC CGL PYQ only. Some are from different SSC exams also and some are from different examinations altogether. So that you get a good mix, you get a better understanding. Okay, because SSC has almost stopped asking questions about digit based calculations, provided there is a big paragraph which it mentions along with it. If that paragraph is missing, be careful, it may be a digit based calculation also. Okay. Correct, very good. Okay, now in this, which of the following expressions is not correct? Okay, S is less than C. S is less than C, it's correct. S is less than U. Now C is equal to U, so S is less than U also, correct. C is less than R. So C is equal to U, U is greater than R. So C is greater than R, not less than R. This is incorrect. Option C is the right one. Cool. Very good. Excellent, Argumita. What about the rest of you? This is clear for everybody? Inequalities? Okay. Next. Sitting. Should I give you? I'll give you 40 seconds. Good, good, good. Very good. Okay, what about this one? So 3, 3, 6 to 8. 8 people are sitting in a square table, not facing the center. Be careful. Okay. So they are all facing outside. Okay. A is sitting to the immediate right of F. So this is F, this is A, but we should think that immediate left of E, okay, but is A at the corner? C is sitting immediate right of E, G is sitting 2 places from the right of E. No, let's not mix it G here. B is sitting immediate right of G, H is sitting immediate right of B and immediate left of D. Okay, so this is D, this is H, this is B, so this was G only. Who is sitting between A and D? Oh, this is pretty easy. F. Option A is the correct answer. Okay, since the corners were not mentioned here, that is not a problem, that was not a problem. But if they mentioned that A is between F and E, let's say, and A is not at a corner, then your sitting will change. Okay. Now I'll give you one more question here, but before I give that to you, I'm going to tell you something which is very important for you. So there is one more question, don't run away, okay. That important something for you to know is that Oliveboard is currently running the Big Bang sale. Okay, the code is BIG BIG, which gives you a flat 54% off on all SSC courses. Now you'll ask me, why am I telling you this? I am telling you this because such interesting questions we are discussing every day in this brand new course which we have started on the SSC platform for your SSC CGL Tier 1, Tier 2 complete crash course. And 2.0 because we have freshly started from this batch yesterday. So just go ahead, check it on the application. You might still get some free classes, observe the demo. And if you're actually liking the content, there are 4,000 plus unique MCQs, some of them based on CGL previous year questions, some of them based on SSC other exams previous year questions, some of them based on cross examinations, other exams, railway exam, your NDA exams, your UPSC CSAT some level, easy level questions, your banking easy level questions, your CAT easy level questions. So a good mixture, that's at least from my side I'm doing that. So that good mixture ensures that you are ready for any possibility which comes your way. Go ahead and check it out. If you are actually interested, enroll in this course today and you can reap full benefits from it as much as possible. Apart from that, if you are interested to download the PDF, guys, you can also do that from the Oliveboard platform only. Okay, I'll show that also to you. So here if you select courses tab, you just keep scrolling. Keep scrolling, keep scrolling. You will see you'll have to scroll a lot actually. Free courses. Oh, it's not showing here today. It's probably on the application you'll be able to see. Okay. On the application it's visible, YouTube class PDF. So that is where you can get your PDFs. Okay. Cool. And this is the last bonus question which I am giving it to you now. It's an extremely simple question, but on one condition I am giving it to you. Nobody will answer now. I want your participation in this. You just take the screenshot and put the correct answer in the comment box, and I will specifically call out all the top people who have answered it in the stipulated time. Top 2 people, I'll take their names in the next session. Okay. Special mention. Special mention in the next session for top 2 names according to the timeline. Right? So thank you so much for joining live, guys. I'll see you guys in the next session, next power packed session tomorrow. Do hit that like button and share this video across platforms so that others can also benefit from this. Thank you so much for joining live. This is me signing out. Bye-bye. Namaskar. Jai Hind. Correct. Good job, guys. Thank you.